go. 2010 Chevy Express. Handicap wheelchair conversion van. It's a high top Explorer Limited SE. Side entry, bronze, Century 2, 700-pound wheelchair lift. Flawless condition, 31,000 original miles. I mean, this is premium van right here. Beautiful condition inside and out. I'm going to give you the full tour. If you have any questions or concerns, you're welcome to give us a call or send us a text at 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business 47 years. It's what we do. We specialize in these vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans, any specialty vehicles. We can ship anywhere in the world. We take anything in trade. Gorgeous, gorgeous 2010 Chevy Express Explorer Limited SE, fully loaded out. Leather, rear power folding bench seat bed. It does have tie down points inside. Very, very gently used. As you can see, clean Carfax, clean title, not a story at all. Very, very, very nice van. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. Give us a like, give us a follow. Happy to help at any time. This is what we do. We specialize in these vans. I'm going to give you the full tour. I'm going to show you how the wheelchair lift works. Beautiful setup. Got flat screen TV, DVD, gorgeous white LED lighting throughout. All your storage cabinets. That is a rear power folding bench seat. Gorgeous gray leather interior. Front heated seats. All the carpet. Comes with all the manuals. The wheelchair lift has gone through a major service. Everything is good to go on this van. You got your tie down points in the floor. All your remotes for the TV and DVD player. Leather seats. Everything is in pretty immaculate shape. Super clean. It's a non-smoker. 31,182 miles. I do have the emergency brake on because you need that for the wheelchair lift. Very nice. All the wood grain is in excellent shape. It's a little bit of wear and tear inside the cup holders, but that's it. I'm just trying to be picky so you can see what you're looking at. Do have heated seats. As you can see, they do go on and off. Beautiful shape, leather, dual air, LEDs throughout. You can operate the lift from inside here, or there's also a wired pendant. Really, really nice van. There's a tiny little stain there from where the previous owner was sitting with his wheelchair. He was actually in a power chair, so the chair pad was just touching the material there. Otherwise, the interior is pretty much flawless. Excellent, excellent condition. You can feel it. The van runs, it drives perfectly. It's running right now. I mean, you can see the carpet. Everything is very nice. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We only have 5-star reviews. We try to buy and sell the absolute best vans we can buy and sell in the world. We have a great reputation. If you have any questions about anything, this van has no rust whatsoever. As you can see, it's laser straight down the sides. There are a couple small dings on both sides of the van just from normal wear and tear, but nothing to be considered as major damage at all. Tires are about 50% good. They're not brand new, but you do have some good useful life left on them. As you can see, the paint on the roof is excellent. No issues there. This water that you see here is from the air conditioning. If you look at all of our videos, all these Chevy vans do that when you're parked for more than a couple minutes, so no worries at all. So the wheelchair lift works here with the pendant. $750-pound capacity. It has gone through a major service as well. Everything is working and functioning exactly the way it is supposed to. It does have an on and off switch here. We do suggest keeping it off when you're not using it. Beautiful. Look at the condition of this thing. Ultra rare, 31,000 miles. It's for real. No issues whatsoever. Gorgeous condition. Don't hesitate to give us a call, 954-561-2499. We can ship anywhere in the world. Take trade-ins. There's a V8. The door panel material has a little bit of peeling here. Again, I'm being very picky. Got all your original window stickers and door tags here. You can see under the hood, it's very nice and clean. Here, runs perfect like a watch. Don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Any questions or concerns, ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.